Today we're going to make these adorable Pom Pom Easter bunnies. They're so easy you won't even believe it. Hi guys, it's Sarah. Today we're going to be making Pom Pom bunnies for Easter, and I'm going to be using some of the Pom Poms in various sizes that I made using the Boy Pom Pom tassel maker, and I will include the link right up here. And we're just going to, using some hot glue, glue the body of the bunny together. We're going to use some of the little googly eyes, wiggly eyes, whatever you call them. And I picked these up fairly inexpensively at Walmart. You can also get googly eyes at Dollar Tree as well. And I'm going to be using some more of these beads, and basically I'm just going to be using one bead, and it will be the nose of the bunny. And also I will be using some felt to make the ears with. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take the smaller of the two blue pom-poms, and we are going to glue some wiggly eyes to the front of it. And to do that, I'm just going to use my hot glue gun. Get a fair amount of hot glue on there. Be careful not to get it on your fingers. And I'm just going to glue it down in like that. And I'm going to repeat with the other one. And Bunny's eyes are kind of offset on their faces, so I'm going to give it a little bit of space. Okay, and there we have the eyes for the bunny. And the next thing we are going to do is glue the little nose onto the front. And that, you want to be sure that using the bead that you have the hole so that it's facing sideways. Okay, and we are going to then take just some small pieces of the ribbon, and we're going to use these to make the whiskers, and I'm just going to use 3 small pieces. Alright, now that I have those cut, I am just going to work these through the bead that's the bunny's nose. Alright, and there we have the face of the bunny. Now we just need to make the ears and add those on. Alright, now in order to make the bunny ears, I just drew out by hand 2 templates. The larger one is going to be for the outside of the bunny ear. The smaller one will be for the inside, and they will fit together like so. And to make the bunny ears, I'm going to use a teal for the outside and a pink for the inside. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out a piece of felt in the size we need it. And in order to do that, I'm just going to fold it over as such. And we are just going to cut the bunny ear out of the felt while it's folded. That way we're only having to cut once to get 2 bunny ears out of it. I am going to pin it into place real quick so that it doesn't move around on us. Alright, now that I have that pinned in place, I am just going to go ahead and cut these ears out. Alright, and there are the pink bunny ears. I am going to go ahead and straighten those out just a little bit here. There we go. Alright, and now we're going to glue these together. And to glue these together, I'm not going to use hot glue. I'm going to use a little bit of Aleene's tacky glue. That's just because this is what I have on hand right now. Okay, and we're just going to let those set and dry for just a minute. Now that these have had a minute to dry, I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm just going to add a dab of it down here toward the bottom. And then I'm just going to bring these together and pinch to kind of give a crease to the bottom of the bunny ears here. Just hold those for a minute until it dries. All right, and I'll do the same for the next one. All right, now those don't take long because it is the hot glue, so those are ready to go. And we are simply going to put those on the top of the bunny's head. And I'm going to open up a little bit of a space here, and I'm going to hot glue those right down in there. And I'm going to do the same over here a little bit further. All right, and there we have the head of our bunny. Now, if you would like, you can put a little dollop of hot glue on either side of the nose here to hold the whiskers in, but since these are ribbon, they're in there fairly tight, and if this is just being used as decoration, they're not going to go anywhere. So that is completely up to you. If I were to use something like string or twine that was thinner, I would go ahead and glue those in. Right now, I'm just going to give the bunny a bit of a haircut. There's a couple pieces sticking up here. There we go. And he is ready to be attached to the body now. And to do that, we're just going to take the larger pom-pom and we are going to kind of open up a space there. And we're going to do the same with the back of the bunny's head here. And there are the spaces we are going to glue together. There we go. And we are just going to hold those together for just a minute. All right, and the last thing that we want to do is we want to hot glue the little cottontail onto the back of our bunny. So down here at the bottom, we're going to open up another little space here. Put some more hot glue in there. And just hold that cottontail in there for a minute until it, again, the glue dries. All right, and that's all there is to that. There is our finished bunny. Isn't he just adorable? And just give him a fluff, and I think he's perfect. I can't wait to use him in a display. He turned out so cute. I made 6 sets of different colors of pom-poms, so there's going to be a set of 6 of these when I'm done. They'll go in some Easter baskets. A couple of them will go on my display. You guys have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.
If you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button as well as share it with friends who may also enjoy it. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button, and when the notification bell pops up, be sure you hit that as well so you never miss a video. And, as always, have a great day and stay crafty.